Hello to all of my online car shoppers. Hopefully your car shopping experience has been a good one so far. This is Car Guru Corey Way right here at Bellamy Strickland Chevrolet Buick GMC in McDonough, Georgia. And today we're going to highlight an immaculate pre-owned 2020 GMC Yukon SLT trim level in that beautiful Cajun red tint coat with the cocoa dune leather interior. This one here has about 25,000 miles on it, and hopefully she'll put an end to your shopping. Good tread on those tires. Driver's side looks fabulous. Look at the wood grain trim along the door, middle console. Cooling and heated seats. Rear entertainment do come with headphones. Passenger side, immaculate, no scratches, no dents. Very good looking vehicle, excellent condition. 2020 GMC Yukon SLT trim level, Cajun red tint coat, cocoa dune leather interior, got about 25,000 miles.